Alright, so here's the situation. It's Chris and Peter's birthday. Chris got the whole house to himself. It's Memorial Day weekend. And hold on. And we got some party favors. Ice cream and alcohol. I ain't no scientist, alright? But if this is the formula, I hypothesize that tonight it's about to be lit. And if it isn't, with the power of editing, I'll make it look lit.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Chris.
Thank you. Thanks for coming. Oh.
Fist bump. Alright, super important. Gotta put the ice cream in the freezer. Oh shit, we got a situation.
I did.
I don't think this is gonna fit in there.
We gotta eat them all.
That means we gotta eat them right now.
Glad you guys can make it. Now we're gonna go shotgun.
Yo, what's up, Rich Sugar?
What's up? Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
I'm middle class chicken.
Got him. Yo, happy birthday. Alright, you got a shotgun right now. Birthday.
Yeah, come shotgun with us.
Let's go, Eli, don't be a bitch.
Alright, this guy's about the shotgun. I'm a shotgun too, but I ain't gonna do it for a video because I suck at it.
When you're done.
Alright, never mind. I'm gonna join them.
Wait, what's the
Wait, you got someone count last one and that's a good shot.
Last one takes a shot.
Oh shit. Done. Steven! Fuck! Steven!
Huh?
Fuck.
I suck, but not as much as him.
Damn it, it's all over my chest.
No, puppy.
I'm James Hank.
Post-game interview. How does it feel to suck?
Yeah, you tell him, princess.
Hey, no chase. No chase needed.
No chase.
Oh.
You bitch?
Ooh.
You bitch?
Liquor, got me talking way too much. Got me texting, calling, it's 2:30 in the morning, trying to wake you up, where you at? I might put a Uber.
Oh my god, what is this abomination? Is this food?
Yeah, it's really good.
Did you make that?
Try it.
You made it, huh?
No, try it. It's good.
It looks gross. Look at it. This is like some
And then it goes like
science experiment. Oh, this is mystery box unboxing. I don't know if this is a party or a buffet. Looking more like a buffet to me. Look at David. David though, why not both? Why not both?
I've had too many of these.
Alright, James. You gotta hide it. Where are you hiding it? Put it in the box of Corona. If someone try to get Corona, they grab an ice instead.
Alright, I'll ask someone to grab me a What the fuck? Hey! Are you serious? I told you, on the spot.
Liquor, got me talking way too much.
Yo, I swear, I thought you saw us put that in there. But I guess not.
That's embarrassing. I was like, what are you putting in? Like, why's your hand in there?
That's the second L of the day. Justin challenged me to rock, paper, scissors. First shot.
Liquor, got me talking way too much. Got me texting, calling, it's 2:30 in the morning, trying to wake you up.
Now Jacob challenged me. Defend my title.
Alright, Vietnamese boy versus white boy.
Liquor, got me talking way too much. Got me texting, calling, it's too.
Check out these watermelons though. Nobody would know.
What the? Oh, shit.
Yummy watermelon.
Liquor, got me talking way too much.
Oh, you love watermelon.
Got me texting, calling, it's too. Hey, plug up. I don't even understand how the fuck my plug talk. Pick him up in a space coupe, I don't let my plug walk.
The snacks here be endless. Like, look what I found. Yo!
I don't like donuts.
Eat it!
I
it off though. Leave a comment down below if you know what flavor this is. I think someone's been preheating the oven. Let's just put it in. My good deed for the day.
A few moments later.
Wait, baby girl, what you doing? Where your man? I just popped a Zan, 50,000 in Japan. I ain't doing no plan, these red bottoms on no Vans.
What's good? You didn't try to show off. We gotta catch up though.
There's a bunch of shots laid out for you right over there. It ain't that hot, just blow on it, you'll be cool.
Are you sure, bro? It's gonna fucking burn my mouth. All right.
Liquor, got me talking way too much, way too much, way too much, way too much. Got me texting, calling, it's 2:30 in the
On this episode's of Pantry Raiders, Steven is cooking up some Sam Yang spicy ramen. Talk to me, tell me your technique when you're frying eggs.
Use a good amount of oil so it doesn't stick.
Nice, use oil. Oh,
this my shit. All the girls.
Get it? Text a message, I don't know the number. Flexing on these niggas, every bone and muscle. Steady taking shots, never hurting them. Even then, y'all don't worry nothing. And I like to give a shout out to my niggas with the game plan. And shout out
spicy ramen.
Spicy.
Hey, bro, let me try that.
Okay, don't need that.
Steven.
Happy birthday, Peter.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yo, happy birthday,
No,
Chris.
he's not okay. We should get a bigger bag.
We'll see you next time.
Tucker it out. We got a drunk ass.
Get him out of here, man.
Get him out of here.
Get him out of here.
He's
done for the night.
All right. He's gonna throw up. He's gonna throw up.